So Skyscanner was founded around about 20 years ago. It was founded by a number of different people. Gareth essentially founded the company because he wanted to go and visit his brother in the Alps. He had to book a flight, and as you know, booking travel can be really painful. So he built an Excel, that's how it started originally, and it's since turned into one of the biggest travel search engines, travel marketplaces and apps in the world. So 75 million people use it on a monthly basis across 50 different countries and 30 languages. Skyscanner are about a year and a half into executing a 5-year plan in terms of strategy for partnerships. During COVID, we used that as a time to kind of reset and fix foundations and then develop our product set. And now we're in the stage where we're really trying to accelerate growth of strategic partners and grow the impact the channel has within the business. Using partnerships to drive brand awareness, share of voice is really important because there are some markets that we're a household name, some markets we're not as well known. So we have the ability to leverage these big brands and work on commercial content, things like that, to bring that name front and centre and drive that awareness. One of the key benefits of moving to Impact has been the ability to onboard partners more efficiently. So before we had lots of different systems for legal, for contracts, for finance, and we can bring that all into Impact. So it's a much better experience for partners and it's much more efficient for Skyscanner to onboard strategic partners at scale. Skyscanner works in the flights space and hotels and cars, but our number one product is flights, and it's a really, really complex place to be. You've got lots of different suppliers, inventory is changing all the time. It's not just a fixed product. So we got into partnerships based on an API we built to remove that pain from other brands entering the space. The quality of the Impact API was really important because we pass a huge amount of data back and forward on a regular basis. So having our engineers work with something that we're comfortable with, that was efficient and fast, is a big reason that we chose Impact. A huge benefit of working with Impact and moving to the platform is our ability to share our data and insights with partners. So previously, the way things were set up, it was very basic, top line, not a lot of insights shared. And the integration with Impact allows us to share lots more data with our partners. So that means that they can optimize their traffic, they can grow the program more effectively, and that's really powerful for Skyscanner as a brand, but also our partners. Where we started to see the move to Impact was successful was when we started to get feedback from our partners around the data that they had access to and the benefit that the platform had for them. So it's not all about the brand and about Skyscanner, it's about how Impact can serve our partners and make their life easier. The reason we chose Impact was because of simplicity, the quality of the API integration, and the way it allowed us to be dynamic with our commercial models. As a travel brand coming out of the pandemic, we have really aggressive growth targets as a business, but also as a partnership channel. And Impact's enabled us in lots of ways to exceed those targets and give us real confidence that we can hit our numbers across our 5-year strategy and plan.